Friends, this is a quick video recorded to give you an overview of the physics paper, the 12th standard physics paper, and this obviously would help you in preparing for the board's exam. The examination structure, as you know, it is of 3 hours duration for the theory paper, which is of 70 marks, and this is a written assessment test covering all the theoretical concepts. You would also be appearing for a practical exam, which is of 3 hours duration. 30 marks is the weightage of that. So all in all, you'll have to appear for the exam for 6 hours combined, which would give you 100 marks in your board's exam. The question paper is basically divided into 4 sections, and each of the section is unique in the sense that it has different types of questions incorporated in it, and the level of difficulty is also accordingly. Section A is a foundation question, wherein you would experience multiple choice questions, or what is known as the objective type questions, and also questions with very short answers. Section B is about application, where you are not supposed to write very lengthy answers. You are required to write brief explanations to the questions asked. A detailed short answer questions are included in section C, whereas very long questions, long answer questions form the last part of your question paper, which is the section D. So the first part, which is a section A, as I said, it has got multiple choice questions. You'll find that there are about 10 questions of multiple choice, and there is no internal choice, meaning that all the questions are compulsory. So if you attempt all these questions, which are pretty easy that way, one would score 10 marks out of 10 in this. At the same section, that is the foundation section, students would experience, or they are required to write very short answers. That would be the question 2 part from I to 8th. So there would be around 8 questions, and each question would be of 1 mark. So the total makes is 10 plus 8 is 18. So 18 marks can be gained in the section A if your fundamentals are clear, and this obviously is not very time consuming if you know the answers. Section B is the short answer questions, wherein the student is to appear for question 3 to 14, but not all of them. There are 12 questions, of which only 8 you can answer, so that gives you a flexibility in topic selection. Each question is of 2 marks weightage, so 8 into 2 gives you 16 marks in total. So section B is of 16 marks weightage. If you are very good with concepts, you can attempt all the questions if the time permits, obviously, but that is to be done afterwards. So 8 questions you are required to take. 8 questions would give you 16 marks. That is the section B part. The paper pattern of section C is slightly long answers, or we can call it as short answer questions of 3 marks. Earlier, the short answer questions were of 2 marks. In this section C, you'll have questions ranging from 15 to 26. So all in all, there are 12 questions, of which again only 8 are to be answered correctly. So 8 into 3 gives you 24 marks. So Students who are very comfortable again, they should not solve additional questions right now, but if the time permits, they can come back and reattempt the remaining questions. So there are 8 questions which are compulsory to be solved. 8 into 3 gives you 24 marks. And the final section, as I said, is ranging from 27 question to 31. These are 5 comprehensive questions, and of the 5, you are required to take only 3. So that gives you a maximum flexibility. Each question is of higher weightage, that is, each question is of 4 marks. So that total makes it 12. 4 into 3, 3 compulsory questions, 3 compulsory long answer questions. So 4 into 3 gives you 12 marks. So this is how the paper is structured. So the total marks distribution, as you see, I have drawn a pie diagram which gives you an overview of what is expected in the theory paper of 70 marks. So it's pretty easy if you are done well, studied well, and the level of difficulty obviously would improve from section A to section D, where section A would have a low level questions or easier questions, whereas section D we are expected to answer a bit conceptual and analytical questions. Now let us look at the syllabus of this in the next video.